You're always looking for new ways to keep your job shop running smoothly, avoiding incidents, organizing inventory efficiently, and meeting deadlines. Your passion even led you to implement a number of solutions to streamline processes, though integrating different technologies has presented some challenges as well. But what if there was not just a solution, but also a partner you could trust to ensure seamless integration? Well, you're in luck. Veunex Job Shop Platform is that trustworthy partner. Veunex Job Shop Platform allows you to harness all data collected from cameras, diverse sensors, and other cutting-edge technologies, all within a single platform that combines the power of AI and IoT. It empowers you to enhance safety and security, optimize workforce performance, streamline inventory and material management, automate inspections, and improve equipment management. With its user-friendly dashboard, Veunex provides invaluable insights to guide you through a successful digital transformation journey. We are committed to understanding your unique needs, working closely with your team, and cherishing the trust you bestow upon us. So, it's the right time to let Veunex transform your job shop into an ultra-smooth operation.